Today, we're diving into the topic that how to transfer money from your Steam wallet to your bank account. First things first, let's understand how your Steam wallet works. It's like a virtual wallet where you store funds to buy games, items, or other content on Steam. Number 1. Steam Market. To convert your Steam wallet funds into real money, we'll be using the Steam Market. Head over to the market by clicking on the Community tab and selecting Market. Number 2. Selling items on Steam Market. Once you're on the market, you can sell in-game items, trading cards, or even CS:GO skins. Select the item you want to sell, set a reasonable price, and list it on the market. Number 3. Confirming the sale. After listing your item, it's time to wait for a buyer. Once someone purchases your item, the funds will be added to your Steam wallet. Number 4. Purchasing Steam Community Market. But we're not done yet. To convert the Steam wallet funds into real money, you'll need to use them within the Steam Community Market. Head back to the market and find an item you'd like to purchase with your Steam wallet funds. Number 5. Selling purchased item. Now, here's the trick. Once you've bought an item, go back to the market and sell that item. This will turn your Steam wallet funds into tradable items. Number 6. Selling tradable items. Outside of Steam. To cash out, you'll need to use third-party platforms like PayPal or other trusted websites that allow the selling of in-game items. List your tradable item for sale, and when someone buys it, you'll receive real money. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to get money from your Steam wallet to your bank account. Remember to be cautious when using third-party platforms and always prioritize safety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming tips. Until next time, happy gaming!